Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a fascinating field that has transformed the way we interact with technology. At its core, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines designed to think and act like humans. The journey of AI began in the 1950s when pioneers like Alan Turing and John McCarthy laid the groundwork for what would become a revolutionary field. Turing proposed the idea of machines that could think, while McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence itself. Over the decades, AI has evolved from simple rule-based systems to the complex neural networks we see today. So, how does AI actually work? At its heart, AI relies on algorithms. These are sets of rules or instructions that tell a computer how to process data. Think of algorithms as recipes. Just as a recipe guides you to create a dish, algorithms guide machines to analyze information. Data plays a crucial role here. The more data an AI system has, the better it can learn and make decisions. This learning process is often referred to as machine learning, where algorithms improve their performance as they are exposed to more data over time. Now, let's explore the different types of AI. We often categorize AI into three main types: narrow AI, general AI, and superintelligence. Narrow AI is what we encounter every day, like virtual assistants and recommendation systems. These systems are designed to perform specific tasks, such as recognizing speech or suggesting movies. General AI, on the other hand, is still theoretical. It refers to machines that possess the ability to understand and reason across a wide range of tasks, much like a human. Finally, superintelligence is a concept that goes beyond human capabilities, where machines could outperform us in virtually every cognitive task. While we're not there yet, it's a topic of much debate and speculation. AI is already woven into the fabric of our daily lives. From the moment you unlock your smartphone with facial recognition to when you receive personalized ads online, AI is at work. It powers navigation apps that help us avoid traffic, chatbots that assist with customer service, and even smart home devices that learn our preferences. These applications enhance convenience and efficiency, making our lives easier. The benefits of AI extend beyond personal use. They also impact industries significantly. In healthcare, AI can analyze medical data to assist doctors in diagnosing diseases more accurately. In agriculture, AI-driven technologies optimize crop yields and reduce waste. These advancements not only improve productivity, but also contribute to sustainability efforts. However, with great power comes great responsibility. AI poses potential risks and challenges. Issues like data privacy, job displacement, and algorithmic bias are critical concerns that society must address. It's essential to ensure that AI systems are developed ethically and transparently to mitigate these risks. There are also many myths surrounding AI. One common misconception is that AI can think and feel like humans. In reality, AI lacks consciousness and emotions. It processes information based on data and algorithms. Another myth is that AI will inevitably lead to a dystopian future. While there are challenges, AI also holds the potential to solve many of our pressing global issues if harnessed correctly. Looking ahead, the possibilities for AI are vast. As technology continues to advance, we may see AI playing a crucial role in tackling climate change, enhancing education, and even exploring space. The future of AI is not just about machines, it's about how we, as a society, choose to integrate and govern this powerful tool. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.